Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you whenever you try to open this Steam, you face this Steam petal error. But don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, simply press window button and here type setting. Once the setting open, then simply click on time and language. Here click on date and time. Here make sure that set time automatically option is enabled, and then below click here make sure you click on sync now. Once the sync completes, simply close this window. Next here type control panel and simply open it. Once the control panel open, here click on network and sharing center. Then here click on change adapter setting. Here simply right click on your Wi-Fi and make sure you disable it, and after a few seconds then simply enable it. It will solve your problem. Next, press window button and here type CMD. Then open it, run as administrator. Here click on yes. Here type ipconfig /+ DNS and hit enter. Then close this window. Next, press window button and here type Steam. Then open it, run as administrator. Here click on yes. And here you can see the Steam open without any error. So if this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive notification of our further videos, and I will see you in the next video.